The Advanced Composite Test Lab is really making a massive contribution to advanced manufacturing Australia by having the kind of automated 3D printing approach to composites that doesn't exist anywhere else, to allow both students and industry to develop new products that they couldn't do in Australia without going overseas.
What sets the Test Lab apart and makes it really unique is the capability to take the production of components, in our case carbon fiber, glass fiber components, really speed up the process to high rate, high quality, repeatable production at costs that will allow to enter global supply chains.
Swinburne has a lot of engineering and manufacturing capability, and this is a really excellent complement because it's at the high production rate, high quality end of the scale, so that we can do everything beginning to end with industry and research.
We're using 3D printing approaches to something that then can be scaled to high rate production. And that's unique, and that's the world first.